Hi guys, this is Preet and today with me is Supriya Mankame who handles monitor business in India. So we have a very exclusive launch for 43 inches and 48 inches monitor here at our Delhi office. So tell me something about our 43 inches.
So FV43U is a 43-inch monitor with 144 Hz VA with a QD display and 1 ms of response time. If you ask me about the input ports which is having two HDMI 2.1, one Type C and one display port in it. It's having a HDR 1000 ready monitor. And if you ask about the color gamut, it covers 97% of DC IP3 and 150% of sRGB.
So with Type C, can we also support mobiles? Mobile phones are supported, right?
Yes, definitely. All the Type C devices which are there now in the market, your laptops, your tabs, all these Type C devices, we can connect it and we can have a display with, because we have this KVM feature in this monitor. So you can access two different devices on the same monitor. With one keyboard and a mouse, you can operate these two devices on the same monitor.
Who are the people who can take the most benefit out of this monitor?
So since we have HDMI 2.12 ports in this monitor, so all these console gamers can have this. You have experience of 4K resolution games with 120 Hz of refresh rate.
So I see a lot of audio modes as well. Can you tell me something more about space audio?
So Preet, if you could see, we have a space audio. Definitely it gives you a good Dolby sound with this different modes in it, audio modes. Like we have 5 audio modes: live, concert, then we have FPS, movie, and then we have a VS mode, and then of course the standard. So these are the 5 modes we can have, which can suit to the users his own choice. And one more thing, Preet, I would like to
Sure.
explain you one is that we have the 6-axis color control. So we have which can be one of the useful feature for the person who do the content creation, or maybe the in terms of the professional where he wants a very much good color adjustment.
So does this monitor also come with those AORUS unique features which we have, something like game assist and everything else?
Yes, definitely. We have all this black equalizer, then your OSD cyclic, game assist. All these features are definitely been covered in this monitor. Yes.
Also, the build quality is really nice. I see the stands out there.
Yes, so if you see, it's having a thin bezel, and at the bottom it's having the space audio bar, and stands are definitely a standard stand which are very sturdy, and also comes with the VESA option.
Right. So some people think 32 inches is very big, but compared to if you have the space for this 43 inches, definitely whatever I would recommend for people, those who have the spaces. So where can people buy this as of now?
So currently we have exclusive it on the Amazon, or maybe and of course some of the offline retail channels also we are having this monitor available. Of course, definitely we'll expand it to the more online channels maybe after coming few weeks.
So I think this is a very perfect monitor for all those console gamers as well as PC gamers looking for their next upgrade. So signing off, this is Pri. Thank you, Supriya.